Remember when phones had cords and the internet sounded like a robot screaming through a phone line? Yeah, that was just a few decades ago. Now, we're living in a world where artificial intelligence can write essays, drive cars, and even mimic human voices. But where is all this headed? And how is it really affecting us? Today, let's talk about the evolution of technology, especially AI, what it's doing for us, and what we need to be careful about. Technology has always shaped how we live. From the wheel to the printing press to the internet. Each invention changed the way we work, connect, and think. Then came the computer revolution. And more recently, AI. Artificial intelligence isn't just in sci-fi anymore. It's in your phone, in your social media feed, even in your car's GPS. So what is AI exactly? It's a system that learns from data and makes decisions or predictions based on that learning. Think of it like a super-fast brain that never sleeps. Today, translate languages instantly. It's making life easier, faster, and sometimes a little magical. Let's be real, AI has a ton of upsides. It saves time. Imagine a world where teachers get AI-powered lesson plans in seconds, or farmers use AI to grow food more efficiently. It's not just about robots taking jobs. It's about humans doing better jobs with AI helping out. But here's where we need to pause. AI also brings real concerns. It can be biased because it learns from biased data. It raises privacy issues because it collects information, and it might even replace jobs faster than we can create new ones. And let's not forget the emotional side. When machines start doing what humans used to do, writing, designing, talking, it can make people feel replaceable. So what now? AI isn't going away, but it can be guided. We need better rules and transparency, ethical AI design, and most of all, humans at the center of it all. Because no matter how advanced machines get, they can't replace things like empathy, creativity, or kindness. Those are still 100% human. AI is a powerful force. And like every tool in history, it can help us build or it can break things down. The choice isn't in the code. It's in our hands. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone curious about the future.